Alright, what is going on YouTube? Tom here, trying to get my car in frame for this shot. Please ignore the clutter in the garage. So, tonight, I'm going to be heading over to a special little car show. It's been a long time since I've vlogged a night meet. I got a nice little setup that I'm going to try out. I'm going to have my camera light on top of the camera and then the microphone set up. A little bit of a test on that. So, tonight, of course, we got another special car meet going on. It's not your normal car meet, as compared to the normal little weekly car meets I go to. It's the same people putting this on, the Florida Street Scene group. However, it's going to be over at Bill Curry Ford, which is actually where I bought this car right here. If you're in the Tampa Bay area, you're probably familiar with that. And they're going to be putting on a special event called Back to the Future. So, there's a restored 1970 Boss 429 Mustang they're going to have featured in this show. It was bought new in 1970 at Bill Curry Ford, and it has now been fully restored. So, to celebrate, they're putting on a little car show. This car is going to be featured in the showroom, and they're going to have a car show with other classic Fords around, and of course, for once, a car show where Mustangs are actually more or less featured. You know, I don't think it's my car's probably not going to go into the showroom, but I think that's cool because, I bought the car, the same dealership, 48 years later, so I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, I got another special guest. I know some of you all have been asking for her. Yes, my mom is actually going to be coming with me. She decided she wants to have a little fun with this. She's definitely into classic cars. If y'all remember that video I did with her, she mentions every car has a story. This is kind of the epitome of that. This car has a major story. Part of this is the dealership where the car was even bought, so that's actually going to be a pretty cool event. We'll see what's going on there. I'll see you all when I get there. Alright, so we just got here, we walked around here, we're not really focused on filming. I wanted to get some pictures for Instagram for everybody. So definitely check that. I'm going to put the Instagram name up on screen here. You'll want to check that out. Some amazing cars. Of course, I got my car here in the show. We're about to get started walking around. Good number of cars. I'm definitely going to focus more on Fords tonight. It's open to everything, but it's definitely majority Ford. It's like the first time I've seen this number of Mustangs up front at a show. Say you're enjoying it, right?
I'm loving it. It's fun.
Loving it, of course. Like I said, she loves the fact that all these cars have a story, so we're definitely going to get started checking out all the classics, because there's some amazing classics here tonight. Alright, it looks like everyone's getting started to do this reveal. I see the crowd gathering.
A legitimate 600 horsepower engine is tuned set up that way. It was detuned and sent and sold by Ford at 375 horsepower so it can be sold on the street. There it is, guys. Hope you enjoy this. All last time, guys, we have not signed up for the raffle. This is the last call for the raffle. This will be the last call for the raffle.
I remember Q105 report. I remember that band. They used to help me work out the side of the roads. What's the original color?
Alright, pretty much we've seen everything, done it all. We have the Arizona tea themed car behind me. This is a local kind of trademark. My mom is now fallen in love with this car. So you'd say you enjoyed yourself tonight.
I did.
Seeing
Met a lot of nice people.
some amazing cars.
Yep, saw some amazing cars. Right.
So we got that, this time the rare car, we got the Cobra Jet inside, one of 50 1968 models. Yeah, we got cars like this, the Boss 429 reveal. Though now it seems like no one's even caring about it, but it's definitely an amazing restoration.
What is this?
Looks like a Miata. But yep, so like I said, a lot of amazing people, a lot of nice cars.
Oh yeah, it's a Miata.
Yep.
Maybe fresh Miata.
It's one of those cars like everybody loves. Everybody always is talking about this. Like, have you ever seen the green Miata with the Arizona T wrap? So yeah, everyone talks about this car. But yep, a lot of nice people out here tonight. A lot of cool cars. Hopefully we can get out. I'm trying. For once, it's a Corvette about to run me over, not a Mustang.
Oh, you're the one that has the
Yeah, we're about to head out though, because it's getting late. Overall, let me know in the comment section below what you think about that. What do you all think about all of the awesome cars here? Let me know which one's your favorite, and especially what do you think about that Boss 429, because I think that is an amazing car. I would not mind owning that myself. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Promise we got some more awesome content like this, some cool, unique events like that. We got a lot of them around here. Anyway, take care. Have a good night.